Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the DWM window movement lagging thing which happens whenever we move the windows. Now I have fixed it, that's why it's so smooth in mine, but it's going to be quite laggy in your DWM if you have not fixed it but yet. So today I'm going to show you how to fix it. It's quite simple. In your DWM config, you just have to edit this one line in your dwm.c file. Just open it in any of your text editors. I'm going to use Emacs over here. Now it's going to be very simple to search it. All you need to do is type slash if you are using Vim, right? If you are using some other text editor, you can find the feature that helps you to search something in your text. So just in Vim I'm going to show you, or in Emacs with the evil mode, just type slash and then 1000, right? This is what you're going to find here. Now it's going to be different in yours, right? Because I have fixed it already. Now here it's going to be 60. It's going to be 1000 by 60. You have to change that 60 to 1000. So it's going to be it's going to be calculated as 1, and it's going to be real time after that, right? So real time here means whatever your actual frame rate is, or of your monitor, whatever your monitor supports. So that's it, that's the fix. Now you have changed it because it's basically lowering your frame rates down. So that's the fix. Just save this file. Yes, now you have to compile it. So sudo make clean install. That's it. Now it's fixed. So now the problem with why the DWM subclass guys has done this is because it's quite resource heavy. So I'm going to show you. So here you can see the resource usage over here. Now I'm going to now when I move this this window over here, you can see the CPU utilization is quite rough. So, and when I make it still, I mean you cannot see that much because I'm recording over here, but you can also try this. There is a little bit hike in your resource CPU usage because it's also calculating the stuff where you're moving windows, but it's not that much, so there is nothing to worry about. And if you have a decent CPU in which you are using your compositors and all of that, so it's quite useful enough. So yeah, that's it, that's the fix. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know it worked for you in the comments, and there you go.